Hello! Are you tired of paying $5 just to be awake every morning? Are you tired of the man at a company that sounds like Bar Stucks taking all of your money and throwing it away into sugary drinks that destroy your teeth one tooth at a time? Well, I have a solution to all of this as I cut off my forehead. My solution is cold brew at home. Wow. And you don't need a machine, and there is one initial payment of like 30 bucks, but it pays off after like a week because you would have spent more at Bar Stucks in a week. I'm gonna show everybody my trick that has been saving me a lot of money. So if you want to fight the man at Bar Stucks and save some money, then watch this video. So the story begins with a girl. She really likes to sleep, but she can't. But also, it shouldn't cost money to be awake. And her coffee addiction went from a couple of cups of regular coffee a day to espresso, to double shots of espresso, to triple shots of espresso. There's a toilet flushing in the background. This is just not going to be a serious video. So anyways, I tried making coffee from home with a K-cup maker that tasted terrible. And those things didn't wake me up, so I was constantly going to Bar Stucks because also I don't have room in my apartment kitchen for an espresso maker. It's not happening, okay? Like, whoever says like, I wake up in the morning and I make my avocado toasts and use my espresso maker every morning, they're liars. I found my solution. My solution is making cold brew with this cool invention I found on Amazon, the place where probably gets a lot more of my money than Bar Stucks, but it's whatever. Okay, you know what? I am not a barista, so please just like only kind of trust me. I'm just a tired person. Alright, so anyways, I want to say the con to this is that if you don't think ahead of time, you're not going to have coffee because it does take 12 to 24 hours to brew. Okay, but it's really easy and you don't have to do much, so you just sit around and in the morning you have coffee. I don't like making my coffee in the morning anyways because clearly I'm not a morning person or I wouldn't be drinking this. So far, I also have tried 2 different kinds of coffee from Amazon. I know, right? Like I would eat or drink something from Amazon, weird. But this one is more flavorful, so I'm gonna buy it in the future for when I don't feel like having bland coffee, because this just tastes very sweet. But this one is the bad boy. It is called Cold Brew Lab Coffee. Now that my face is gone, what you do with this thing is you take up the lid from the center of this thing. You take your coffee I'm really dumb, I didn't explain. The reason I ordered my coffee from Amazon is because you need extra coarse grind coffee, because that's how you make cold brew. If you put regular coffee in there, it's gonna go through this little filter and it's gonna be nasty and you're not gonna get a good result, okay? Alright, I'm not a barista, but trust me. 2 cups of coffee. And you're gonna gently put it in this middle piece you unscrew when you first get the coffee maker.
Okay.
You're gonna fill this thing so that only about like a quarter, or I guess we said 1/4 of it is filled with water. Okay, so like to about here. So now I'm just screwing on this lid, and then you stick it in here, then you give it a little shaky. So now I'm gonna take you to my disgusting fridge because I cook a lot. You're just gonna put it on its side like that, like so. You leave it from 12 to 24 hours. The longer you leave it, the stronger it is, but I've found it pretty strong after 12 hours. I think I calculated it, okay, and I think each cup of coffee came out to around like 75 cents. The bag lasts for about a little over a month for 2 people. I live with my fiance. We both drink it every day. So if you're one person, it might last you a lot longer than that. I'm not a barista, but I'm pretty sure you can cut it with some water to make it a taller glass. I just drown like a little bit of coffee to a lot of almond milk. So again, you don't need a whole big thing. It's always available in my fridge at any time I want for an entire week. Is awesome. Just go in there, do my thing, leave. So that is my review on how I save money with cold brew coffee for tired people. We are not tired anymore. We're not broke anymore. Thank you for watching.